Minista wa githomo George Magoha ni areganite na muhuhu ati arutani aria maramakaga kigeranio gia KCSE ni magomete, akiuga wira ucio nurathie na mbere ta uria gwabangitwo ona gutwika kurerikana arutani aya mari na mateta ati matirihitwo. Akiaria thutha wa kuhingura kigomano kia arutani anene a thukuru cia muthingi, Magoha ni atianire riboti iria ciumiritie ati mihango ya gucagurira arutwo kirathi gia form 1 ndina tabanio na wigiririki na uma, akiuga thukuru iria ciana ciacagurite nicio metitwo angikorwo marks cia mwana ni iramwitikiria.
Confuse our young children that, oh, you see, I was first here and I was denied money. That cannot be possible because the first top 5 children of every county, whether they got 350 marks or 500 marks, they were taken to the schools, those top schools.
Mbere ya arutwo macokete thukuru mwaka tukite, mabuku mothe ni megukorwo mekinyitie thukuru-ini, akiuga o mwana rikoragwo na ibuku riake.
I have sampled the books myself and I have said, okay, we have printed all the books. Are they going to be delivered on time to schools before we open? And I'm being told that by the 9th of this month, call me, I will leave my number in public. Call me if you don't have the books for grade 4.
Oho ni ugite gicunji kinene kia aciari ni kiagite kuigiririka hari ureri-ini wa ciana ciao, akiuga nikio gitumi kinene gia ciana nyingi ikorwo itari na mitugo miega, akiuria ciana kuheaga ciana ciao mawira riria mari mucii kuona ni gukumateithiriria hari kuigiririka.
I'm using this paradigm to compare, to tell you how most important you are. And you should be proud of your achievement, because I saw those people who are getting 250 shaking. 250 is a good mark, even if it is 200. It is important for us to reskill our children.
Aciari na arutani ni moritio kuhimbagiria ciana na marks iria mundu wanyita kigeranio gia gibururi, akiuga mwana gwa kigeranio kiu ti kuuga ni agwa muturire-ini, na oho ni gutumaga ciana nyingi kwaga kwiruta muoyo kana kwigera ngero riria mundu waga kuhituka kigeranio kiu. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa rakwa ni Wanjiru wa Foro.